XB7 Valkyrie. The XB7 Valkyrie was an experimental supersonic bomber developed by North American Aviation for the US Air Force in the 1960s. Designed to operate at Mach 3, which is 3 times the speed of sound, and at altitudes exceeding 70,000 feet, the Valkyrie was conceived as a strategic bomber able to outrun and outfly Soviet interceptors. Its striking delta wing design featured adjustable wingtips for enhanced aerodynamic stability and reduced drag at high speeds, while 6 powerful engines propelled it to unprecedented speeds. Constructed from advanced materials, including titanium and stainless steel, the XB7 could withstand the intense heat generated by its high-speed flight. Despite its innovative design, the program was ultimately cancelled due to advancements in Soviet missile technology and a shift in US strategy toward ballistic missiles and low-altitude bombers. Only 2 prototypes were built, with 1 lost in a tragic mid-air collision. Today, the remaining XB7 stands at the National Museum of the US Air Force as a statement to Cold War-era ambition and aerospace innovation, influencing future supersonic aircraft and high-speed research for generations to come. RAH-66 Comanche. The RAH-66 Comanche was an advanced reconnaissance and attack helicopter developed jointly by Boeing and Sikorsky for the US Army, representing a groundbreaking step in aviation technology. Conceived with stealth capabilities, it featured a radar-evading design, low infrared signature, and internal weapon storage for minimized detection, making it one of the first helicopters with true stealth capabilities. Its avionics suite was equally advanced, including digital cockpit display, night vision systems, and precision targeting technology, allowing for exceptional performance in various combat conditions. The Comanche was intended to replace the OH-58 Kiowa and support the AH-64 Apache, excelling in reconnaissance, light attack, and target designation roles. Despite its promise, the Comanche program was cancelled in 2004 due to budget constraints and a shift toward more cost-effective unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, and upgrades to existing helicopters. Although it never entered active service, the RAH-66 set new standards for helicopter design and stealth technology, influencing the development of future rotary wing aircraft. Boeing X-36. The Boeing X-36 was an innovative experimental aircraft developed in collaboration between Boeing and NASA Ames Research Center in the 1990s, designed to explore advanced fighter technology. The aircraft's unique tailless design eliminated the need for vertical and horizontal stabilizers, reducing drag and enhancing agility. This compact 28% scale UAV was remotely piloted, enabling high-risk maneuver testing without a pilot on board. Equipped with a sophisticated fly-by-wire system, the X-36 relied on advanced control surfaces and software to maintain stability, despite the absence of traditional tails. The program successfully demonstrated that a tailless aircraft could achieve remarkable maneuverability and control, influencing future fighter jet design and advancing our understanding of next-generation aerial combat capabilities. Although the X-36 never reached production, its contribution to aircraft technology remained influential, especially in the areas of agility and stability for modern fighter designs. F-20 Tiger Shark. The Northrop F20 Tiger Shark was an advanced light fighter aircraft developed in the late 1970s and early 1980s as an evolution to the F-5E Tiger II. Designed to offer US allies an affordable yet high-performance alternative, The F-20 combined a streamlined single-engine design with impressive speeds exceeding Mach 2. It featured state-of-the-art avionics, including a Westinghouse radar capable of Beyond Visual Range or BVR targeting, enabling versatile combat capabilities in both air-to-air and air-to-ground roles. With the ability to carry a diverse weapons loadout, the F-20 was highly adaptable across missions. Emphasizing ease of maintenance and quick deployment, it was particularly suited for countries needing a powerful yet cost-effective defense solution. Despite its potential, the F-20 faced market challenges due to competition from the F-16 Fighting Falcon, which enjoyed broader U.S. military support. Ultimately, limited market demand led Northrop to cancel the program in the mid-1980s, with only a few prototypes completed. IAI Lavi. The IAI Lavi was a multi-role combat aircraft intended for air superiority, ground attack, and reconnaissance missions. The Lavi featured advanced avionics, fly-by-wire controls, and a low radar cross-section. Powered by a Pratt & Whitney F100 engine, the aircraft was capable of reaching speeds of Mach 2 and could carry a wide range of ordnance. Despite its promising capabilities, the LAVY program was cancelled in 1987 due to high development costs and political pressure from the United States, which viewed it as a competitor to American-made aircraft. Although it did not enter mass production, the LAVY's design and technology significantly contributed to the development of the aerospace industry. Avro Canada CF-105 Arrow. The Avro Canada CF-105 Arrow was a groundbreaking supersonic interceptor aircraft developed in the late 1950s to defend Canada and North America against potential Soviet bomber threats during the Cold War. Featuring advanced avionics, cutting-edge aerodynamics, and powerful Orenda Iroquois engines, the Arrow was designed for speeds exceeding Mach 2 and was equipped with a sophisticated radar system for long-range detection and interception. Its delta wing design provided exceptional performance and maneuverability at high speeds. Despite its technological achievements, the CF-105 Arrow was controversially cancelled in 1959 by the Canadian government due to high costs, shifting defense priorities, and the rise of intercontinental ballistic missiles, which were seen as a more effective deterrent, leaving the Arrow as one of the most prominent examples of a military program that was abruptly halted. The cancellation has remained a point of national debate, and the CF-105 Arrow continues to be a symbol of Canada's aviation history and an emblem of what might have been. Northrop YF-23 Black Widow II. The Northrop YF-23 Black Widow II was a prototype stealth fighter developed by Northrop Corporation in the late 1980s and early 1990s as a part of U.S. Air Force's Advanced Tactical Fighter or ATF program, which sought to replace the F-111 and F-15. Competing against the Lockheed YF-12, which would eventually become the F-22 Raptor, the YF-23 featured a highly innovative design focused on stealth, with its angular fuselage and distinctive shape aimed at minimizing radar cross-section. Powered by a Pratt & Whitney F-119 engines, the YF-23 had impressive performance capabilities, including a top speed of Mach 2+ and superior stealth, but was slightly less agile than the YF-22. Despite its advanced technologies, the YF-23 was not selected for production due to its slower maneuverability, and the F-22 was chosen instead. The YF-23 remains a notable part of aviation history, with 2 surviving prototypes preserved in museums, and its design principles influenced future stealth and supersonic aircraft, including the F-22 and F-35 programs. AH56 Cheyenne. The AH56 Cheyenne was an experimental attack helicopter developed by McDonnell Douglas in the 1960s as a part of U.S. Army's Advanced Attack Helicopter program. Designed to surpass existing helicopters in speed, firepower, and survivability, the Cheyenne featured a coaxial rotor system for improved lift and maneuverability, eliminating the need for a tail rotor. It was equipped with a variety of armaments, including guided missiles and machine guns, and could carry the AGM-22 Blue Fox radar-guided missile for engaging armored targets. Notably, the AH-56 was one of the fastest helicopters of its time, capable of reaching speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour. Despite its innovative design and advanced avionics, including multi-mode radar and night vision systems, the program was cancelled in 1972 due to technical challenges, such as stability issues and rotor system complexities. The U.S. Army eventually selected the AH-64 Apache as its next-generation attack helicopter, marking the end of the Cheyenne's development. Lockheed YF-12. The Lockheed YF-12 was a prototype interceptor aircraft developed in the early 1960s, based on the Lockheed A-12 reconnaissance aircraft, which was a precursor to the SR-71 Blackbird. Designed for the U.S. Air Force, the YF-12 was intended to intercept and destroy enemy bombers at high altitudes and extreme speeds, with capabilities exceeding Mach 3. Powered by Pratt & Whitney J58 engines, it could reach altitudes above 80,000 feet and cruise at speeds over 2,000 miles per hour. Equipped with AIM-47 Falcon air-to-air missiles, the YF-12 was a formidable aircraft, capable of engaging targets at long ranges. Despite its impressive performance, the program was cancelled in 1968 as newer missile defense systems and technological advancements rendered the interceptor concept obsolete. Only 3 prototypes were built, and while the YF-12 never saw operational use, it contributed to the development of future high-speed aircraft, most notably influencing the design of the SR-71 Blackbird.